Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I'm going to go ahead on and get right on into let me stop and say this. I'm going to go ahead on and get right on into the video as to what we're going to be doing, because it's a couple of steps to this here, and I need to be considerate of my camera battery. But this morning, we're going to be doing some Parmesan Garlic Chicken Wings. And I'm going to tell you how I already got my wings. I got the part. I got the flats and the drums. I bought them this way. I already separated. And I seasoned them already. You know what I always tell you. It's very, very important that you put your own seasoning to your liking. Unless it is something that requires special seasonings. But chicken and stuff like that, whether it required or not, you put what on there that you like. But I'm going to tell you, since I've had emails from some young people that was asking me what did I use, so they would have a general idea as to what to use. So I'm going to tell you what I got this chicken wings seasoned with. Now this here is not going to be in the picture right now. This is the sauce that you're going to need once the wings get done. But I got some just some chicken grilling season, chicken grill seasoning. I like this. It's got a very it got a lot of different herbs and spices and seasoning in it, and usually I use it like I'm using a seasonal or something, because it got salt in it and I don't have to put no extra salt and stuff with it. And I got some garlic powder, and I have some onion powder, and I have some of this black pepper, just any type of black pepper you want, but this what I have on there. And I have some paprika on it, and I have some cayenne pepper. That's, if you don't, this, you can totally eliminate it if you don't want the cayenne pepper on there. Be very mindful of how much you put on there, especially if you're going to be feeding little ones. Their mouths are tender and they can't, what we think is a lot of heat would be, quite a bit for them. And I got a little parsley on there just for decoration, making it look good. And this is all the seasoning that I have on these wings right here. So let me tell you what I'm gonna do. Okay, let me say this. I got my oven preheating at 450 degrees. I got my timer set for 50 minutes. But that's according to how your oven and stuff bakes and cooks, whether you're gonna do this time, because I got it set for 50 minutes. And when I put the wings in there, I'm gonna go in halfway through, just whatever my judgment is, halfway through, and probably turn them on the other side. All of this stuff I let you know at the very end. And I'm gonna turn them on the other side and let them finish baking anywhere from 40 to 50 minutes, or either if your oven cooks kind of low, you can don't cook as hot. You may have to cook them up to an hour, but you're gonna have to be the judge of that now. Okay. Now what I'm using is a old-fashioned broiler pan. This broiler pan comes with the oven, and if you want to use a baking pan where you have a rack to put on it, you can. And if you don't, just bake them, put some foil, and I got some foil in it. I got the foil in it. Can you see that foil too? Mm-hmm. I got the foil in it just for easy cleanup. That's what that's for. You always find you got to work smart. That makes for very easy cleanup. Because I've been using this, and I'm gonna go in right with my hand and just take and lay my chicken wings on here. I'm putting more than I would normally put on any given time, but when I normally fix it, but I'm just fixing some extra. And as they cook, they're gonna draw up. But you don't want to overcrowd it too bad to make the wings steam. Let me do it like this. And when I get these wings on, I'm going to go ahead on and put them in the oven and let them do that baking that I told you. That how I told you that it was going to bake. And now when I go in and turn it, that's going to be off camera. When I come back to you guys, I'll probably just come back and show you how I'm going to put the sauce on there, which is very easy. But I'll just show you how I'm going to put the sauce on the wings. And then once I put the sauce on the wings, I'm going to put them back in the oven for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, not long, to just kind of let that sauce bake in just a little bit. And then once it bake in, I'll just come back and show you the finished product. Because when I come back and you know, when I turn it and all that, I probably won't, you know, be saying anything to you. But I just want to let you know what I'm doing. Okay, I think I told you about all the seasoning and stuff that I have on there. Cause when I first started fixing these wings, I really wasn't, you know, I thought the sauce looked like it had enough seasoning to it. Then I learned I need to season it beforehand. But you don't go too. You notice that I didn't have any salt. I didn't put any salt on it. I just let the salt that was in that chicken grill then what I use. Okay, you guys, let me go and put this in the oven and do that baking up. And when they finish baking and it's time for the sauce to be put on it, I'll bring you back and let you see that process. And other than that, I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I think I got about less than 1 minute left on the chicken wings, and I'm gonna bring them out the oven and show you how I'm gonna put the sauce on it. And I'm gonna show y'all this sauce right here. I never used this one before, but my daughter know that I absolutely love this Parmesan and garlic, and she had bought me this one, and it was from she got it at Buffalo Wild Wing. I don't know, you know, where she got it at or what, but she had brought this one to me. I'm looking forward to trying that. But since I already had this one, the one that I normally use, I had that. That's the reason I'm using that. She said, "Mama, you're gonna love that. You don't have to do too much seasoning," because she have used it before. You don't have to really do too much seasoning up with that. So I'll see. Okay, that's some chicken wings that went off. So I'm gonna be dealing with this kind of hot. Woo! Heat from the stove. Get this straight, guys. Gotta take your time when you're handling hot stuff. Want you to see what they look like. And they done, no matter what they look like, they done, and because I done did this so many times before. And they be all tender and juicy. So what I'm gonna do, let me see. Probably need one of these rags because in case some of them stick. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, when I got ready to season up my chicken wings, I had maybe about a tablespoon of olive oil on the chicken wings so that the seasoning that I would put on it seasoned real good. If you got a container that you think will stand this here heat, they got a cover over it, it'll be easier if you do it in that. I just take them, see how this kind of stick a little bit? I just take the wings and put them over in that container. I don't necessarily be handling them this hot, but just for camera, for video purposes, I'm gonna go ahead on and put them in this container. They might let put in my container. If they do, oh well. These are some delicious wings, you guys. Now when I put the sauce on this, I'm gonna put them back on this here, back on this the same tray, and run them back in the oven for maybe about 10 minutes or less, so that the sauce will stick on it real good. And then after they finish, I always set and let them kind of dry out a minute. I'll probably spray just a little bit more. Let me do that now so I won't forget. I'm gonna spray just a little bit more this cooking spray on it. But I do it like this all the time. All them little burnt little chips and stuff like that, and that's not gonna matter. I'm gonna sit this out the way. And then what I do is, it's kind of thick, so I just say I be it's according to how many wings you have, whether you're gonna use this whole container of this sauce. Normally I do. You know me, I'm gonna turn it up so I can get every drop of it out. Then I just put my lid back on it and shake, shake, shake. If you want to use a pastry brush and brush it on, go right ahead. I usually have one to get in little spots that then get it in, and I maybe probably shake it a little longer than what I'm shaking now for the purpose of the y'all see how I can handle stuff hot. I'm gonna go back and try to get my pastry brush and you see what they look like, you guys? Once I shut the sauce on it, it's in the camera. Mm-hmm. That's what they look like. And I just put them back on this baking pan. Stick them right in the oven for that 10 minutes. And you keep an eye on it, because you may not need it that 10 minutes, because I still have my stove on what I had it on when I was baking it. I say anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And that's all you got to do. Alright, you know, you don't want to see me just putting them back up here on this pan. So I'm going to go ahead on and put them back on the pan and stick them back in the oven for their final 5 to 10 minutes. And then when I come back, I'm going to have my tray dressed up as to how I serve it. These things are good at parties, game day, anytime you want to, you know, you're having like heavy hors d'oeuvres. And I served them several times. Some of the people that watching the video know, because now you can also fry your wings and then put the sauce on it. It's up to you, but it's just always easier to me to bake them. But they good either way. I ain't gonna say they're not. I've had them both ways and they're absolutely good. So this is it, you guys. Let me set them back in the oven. When I come back to end this video, I have them in my tray like I normally serve them. But you serve them in the way you want to serve them, you know. But I'm just doing this for video purpose. Be right back. Okay, everybody, this is the finished product of the Parmesan Garlic Wings. And this is where I just did my tray. And you see how I baked those wings, and I put some carrots and celeries and stuff around it. Like this is perfect for game day. If you're having a little luncheon where you're doing heavy hors d'oeuvres, or like a honor luncheon for your children when they get some kind of award at school. I used to use that use stuff like this for all occasions, just whatever you want to use it for. But and it don't take much to decorate it. Get you some $5 or $6 little platters and trays and decorate it, and you're gonna save yourself a whole lot of money from eating in the restaurants. And to me it tastes better. But I just wanted to show you how I did my Parmesan garlic wings, and we'll be using some for the Super Bowl. My husband like them as well as I do, and he the one really likes the carrots and celery and stuff with the ranch dressing. So I'm gonna go ahead on and end this video, you guys, and I appreciate you watching it and supporting my channel. And I say it again, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to let you know when I'm putting up a new video, and give me a comment and let me know whether you had garlic parmesan chicken wings before, because there's so many flavors of chicken wings, because I fix a lot of them myself. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.